Good day, IPSJ students. This is May from the ICT department, and today I'm going to go through the steps one by one in Google Sites to show you how simple it is to create your own e-portfolio to show all the great work you have done throughout the whole year. So let's get started. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add pages, how to add a video, how to add a document, adding slides, and adding pictures to your Google pages. Okay, so I already logged into my Google account and I already have my e-portfolio, the basic e-portfolio we created together in the last video. So I'm just gonna click on it and I will find all the pages, all the changes that I made the last time. So I should find 3 sub-pages in About Me. Okay, so I have English, ICT, and Arabic. So you can add pages in 2 different ways, either by having one main page and inside that page you can add sub-pages, or you can add more main pages to that. So let's say you want to add Islamic. If you have different things you want to show in Islamic, like for something for tilawa and other things for the theoretical part, something practical, you can add this inside the Islamic part, or you can go through adding more sub-pages. So it's totally up to you. Okay, so we're going back to the main page, let's say to the ICT page, okay? And now this page has nothing, it's a blank page. What I want to add to this page, I want to add a layout. So I'll go to Insert. I'll start with, let's say, this layout, okay? I want to introduce the topics that I want to discuss about ICT. Let's say ICT robotics class, okay? I will add my grade over here. So today I'm pretending I'm a 6th grader. So let's say CG, okay? And over here I can add a picture. It's going to be very cool to add pictures or to add visual aids. It will give a very interesting look to your website or to your e-portfolio. So I'm just going to upload. I already saved some pictures from Google on my desktop, so I can find the pictures easily. So this is basically how you add a picture. Just one click on it and then you can add. You can also resize it, make it bigger, make it smaller. If you have second thoughts about it, you can delete it from here. And if you wish to replace this image, to change it, you can also do that as well. So this is the main feature of how to start with adding items and layouts to your page. Now, scrolling down through the right banner, you can find also, as we discussed before, you can find documents, slides, forms, videos, YouTube video, buttons. So all these options on the right, it would be amazing if you can use most of them, let's say, okay? So let's say you want to add a document, okay? So I want to insert a document on my ICT page. Let's say the teacher asked you to create a document on the things you have learned throughout the whole year, and she asked it as a Word or a PDF form. So when you click on document, you will find all the documents that you already saved earlier to your computer. So let's say I want to add this one. You can scroll up and down to choose what document exactly you want, and double click on the document. It will be automatically added to your page, and simply this is very easy. Now, I don't know how this is going to look like for my teacher. You can check that out from the preview button as discussed before. So when you click on preview, this is the ICT robotic page, okay? And this is the document that you already uploaded on your page. So your teacher can scroll up and down in your document and can see and read everything you wrote in this page. So let's now go to the English page and to check what changes we can make to this page. So let's say that your teacher asked you to prepare a review about a book that you have read, and she asked it in a form of a PowerPoint presentation or slides. So you're looking to add PowerPoint and you're not looking to add a document. So you click, you make sure that you highlight the English page, and then you go to Insert, and then you go to Slides. Okay, now this is going to open all the documents on your computer that is in the form of a PowerPoint or slides. So let's say I want to add this one, double click on it, and immediately, as you can see, it's going to be added to your page. Again, you can resize it, you can change the location of it, and how you're going to check how does it look like. Again, go to preview and scroll down. Here you go. So this is how it's going to look like for your teacher. Your teacher can go through the slides one by one with no need to download this PowerPoint. As we discussed before, we can add so many features and different types of documents, videos, slides we can add to our Google pages. So if you wish to add something from YouTube or a link that is related to the topic you want to discuss to your teacher, you can do that as well. Let's say when you click on YouTube, it will transfer you into this page. And how to use Google Sites, okay? And then just choose randomly, double click on the video, and immediately it's going to be transferred to your main page. Again, you can relocate it, you can rename it, you can add whatever description you want to add for this. It's very easy and very simple. You can also add a video that you made yourself. Maybe you created a video on iMovie or a screen recording and you want to add this not from YouTube, you want to add it directly from your Google Drive. You can simply do that by going to Drive, and then it will give you all the options, all the files, upload it. As you can see here Excel sheets, you can see PDF, you can see folders. So it opened directly the drive. So let's say I want to add this video. One more time, double click on the item you wish to add, and then it will be added. Again, you can resize it, you can add a description for it, okay? And one more time, click on preview so you can see how it's going to look like for your teacher. This is exactly how it's going to look like for anyone who wants to preview this, okay? Going back to the main page we created about me, and as we discussed before, that this page we want to present yourself. So let's say I want to add a banner over here, so I just want to change this image. Again, I already collected all the pictures that I want in one file, so it will be easy for me to access and to upload all the documents. So let's say this picture represents me, okay? So I just click on upload, and this is how it's going to be uploaded, how it's going to look like. Again, preview, you can see how it's going to look like for the viewers. I'm okay with that, okay? Then moving on, you can add, let's say I don't want this picture, I want to add a different picture. So I just click replace, upload, and I want to add the school picture over here, my name, and then let's say ICT teacher, IPSJ. You can write down grade 6 student, 12 seniors, whatever represents you, okay? And down over here, as you can see, this is the layout that comes already with the template. You can add pictures, you can add slides, videos, you can add your email address for teachers contact, ipsjumeirah.com, okay? Whatever you think will represent you in a very nice way, you can add over here. You can add things about your hobbies, what you like to do, reading, swimming, any pictures that you think represent you, and make a nice introduction for your e-portfolio. This is everything I wanted to discuss with you step by step on how to create your own e-portfolio, how to add pictures, videos, slides, and different types of documents. I hope everything was clear for you. Stay safe and be creative. Have a good day.